productive recently. Since school started, I've been waking up earlier every day. I did my laundry, I got my nails done, I washed all the blankets on my bed and made my bed. I've been filling up my fridge more so that I have food all throughout the week. And today I'm gonna decorate my apartment. This is what it looks like right now. I think the main thing I need to do is fill up these white walls. I just want to make it look more lived in and more my style. I have a studio apartment, so it's one big room. This is where my bed is, and I have these high ceilings, which I love. I'm gonna try to fill up this wall a lot better. I got prints, framed prints. I printed a huge stack of my pictures, fake flowers, and then a couple stacks of my own art that I want to hang up. I've hung up like 3 things so far, and look at how messy everything is. It's honestly really coming together right here. This whole area looks so nice. Next, I'm gonna put together all these framed pictures. Today's video is sponsored by Desenio. They are a poster and print company, and they sent me some of the cutest things to hang on my wall. As you guys know, I'm an art major, so I was looking for a lot of art prints from some of my favorite artists. I got a Monet painting, 2 pieces from my favorite abstract artist, Hilma af Klint. I got the Birth of Venus, and a bunch of other cute designs. It took me way too many tries, but I finally got them even. And these hooks make it way easier. Even if you mess up, you can take them out and redo it. I'm obsessed with how they look in these wooden frames because they match my apartment's aesthetic so well. I have so much furniture that has wood in it, so these really tie everything together. I think they're the perfect addition to my apartment. I found so many posters and prints that fit my style. I feel like this was the perfect feature for my apartment to make it more me. They have their own design team to create unique and trendy designs. Definitely check them out. I'll have their website linked in the description. I have this huge blank wall in my bathroom, and something needs to go here. So I'm trying to decide if I want this picture or this picture on this wall. I just don't know which goes with the aesthetic of my bathroom more. This one, I thought as soon as I got it, I was like, this belongs in the bathroom. This is like the perfect bathroom picture. But I also really want to hang this one up. It fits perfectly on this wall, right between these shelves and the door. I really don't know which one to choose. I think I'm gonna hang this one up. All right, that looks great. I actually love it. I'm gonna see how I feel about this as I use my bathroom. I love this piece so much. Just how it fits perfectly in this spot really sold me. Like, I think it's meant to be. I'm glad I found a spot for it. And you guys can use my code Zhirelle for 45% off. And thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. I made a lot of progress with this wall, but I'm gonna continue it later. Well, this is the next part that I'm gonna decorate. I have a lot of posters right here to put up. I haven't unwrapped this one yet. I am so excited. It says, "Worship Coffee, the Dark Lord." I've been meaning to add this table runner. It's so cute. It has flowers and bees. I think that really brought everything together. I painted this last semester, and I've been wanting to hang it above my couch for a while now. I feel like it just goes with this area really well. I really want to start hanging more of my work up. All the redecorating always pays off because it looks so much better, especially this area. Like, this is my new favorite spot in my apartment. I didn't expect my kitchen table to go through this much of a transformation. I still have a couple more things to add, but I'm gonna do that throughout this video. I'm gonna finish off my evening, change into some comfy clothes, do some homework, but I love my apartment right now. I've been working on this piece for a while. I have a critique soon, so I'm using oil and acrylic paint, and I kind of just came up with this concept. It's coming along, but I still need to do a lot of work on it, especially in this area. I really like this desk setup, honestly. I just studied so much for an exam, and it paid off. Honestly, one of the best feelings. Here is my outfit for today. It's very comfortable. I'm wearing this brown romper. It's shorts and a tank top, which I love. And then I put on this beige sweater, and it actually matches my slippers perfectly. So this outfit's kind of put together. It's cute. I went to the grocery store in this the other day, and it's just super comfy and movable. Today I'm gonna be in my apartment cleaning, restocking, and resetting. I wanted to wear something that I knew I could move around in and I'd be comfortable in. So for Christmas, my sister got me the cereal bowl candle that I've been wanting. It's all over my Pinterest. It is the cutest thing ever. So it comes like this, right? It's just a candle with a spoon. It looks like milk. And then it comes with all of the cereal, and they look so damn real. Like, if these were next to the actual cereal pieces, I would not be able to tell the difference. All these pieces, they look so real. Like, you're telling me this is a candle. So crazy. Also, this picture already fell down. It turned out so good. This is the cutest thing ever. I just cleaned this whole part of my kitchen. It looks so much better. I even like deep cleaned my stove. That's something I've been needing to do for a while, and look how good it is. Oh my God. And the countertops, just everything. I also did the dishes. So I need to restock a couple things in here. First off, my olive oil. I have like a big thing of it, and then also I have like a ton of cleaning products and stuff in here. There it is. My sister and I took this from my house so I could have it in my apartment because these are expensive. I'm glad we did that because now I can refill. Perfect. Oh my God, I didn't spill a drop. I think it's a better price too to buy like these refills instead of buying like individual bottles each time. And look, it only went down to here, so I still have like a ton of refills left. Exciting stuff, new olive oil. I'm gonna do the same now for my dish soap. All right, that's enough. That was all the restocking I needed to do for today, but these have been needing to get done, so I'm glad we did that. These are for my kitchen. First, I got this berry basket. You guys know I'm obsessed with these. I have a bunch in my fridge. I thought it was so cute with the different shades of blue. And then, this was completely necessary. I've been needing a spoon rest. Without hesitation, I bought this. It's a ravioli spoon rest. This one is gonna go right here. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's just a big ravioli. Oh my God. That's what it's gonna look like. Definitely needed it. Over here, I have my little coffee station, and I could use this for all my K-cups instead of keeping them in here. That could actually be really cute. So I could just like fill it up. Maybe it's cute. I can't really tell. But for now, I like it. It goes with the aesthetic. It's cute, and I might change it later, but that's how it's gonna be for now. So now that I have my entire kitchen clean, it's time to put up this poster. I think I'm gonna put it on this wall. boba place right by my campus and it has huge bobas. I've been trying to find like new boba places around me and coffee shops. I went to sushi and I picked up some new clothes. So I want to give you guys a mini haul. I went into Brandy for the first time in like a while. I was kind of just looking for basics and I was like, why not? Like I haven't been in here in so long. I got these two tops. This first one is a tank top. I like it a lot because it's kind of tight fitting so I don't wear a bra with it. And then I got this little sweater. It actually kind of looks navy blue. I thought it was black. And then I got this top. It's a white tank top. I just liked it because of the lace on the top. I was thinking if I layer it so that just the lace shows over a shirt. And then I got this black short sleeve top. I needed to get more stuff to wear with my low-rise jeans. So yeah, 4 things. They're cute, simple. And then I thought I'd show you guys these shoes that I finally got in the mail. I haven't worn them yet. So I ordered these from StockX. That's usually where I order my sneakers if it's not like directly from the brand. These are the Adidas Forums 84. They're these really cute sneakers. They have a Velcro over the top. I got the brown color. So they're like this off-white and then the brown, which I think is so cute. I'm excited to wear these. I think they'll be super nice. I'll probably wear them in my next video. I do have class tonight, so I have to go to campus in like an hour. But other than that, I don't really have anything going on today. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. I honestly really enjoy filming these Living Alone Diaries videos. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys soon in my next video. I have a lot planned for the next coming months. Bye! Mwah.